So we have this data in Excel sheet in which you want to separate day, month and year and write it in separate columns. If you do it manually, it will obviously take a lot of time, but with the help of formula, it could be done in 10 seconds. So let's do it. So first we have to select the date column and paste it in the columns of the day, months and year. And then once we paste this data in the columns of day, month and year, then we have to come to the day column, select that and then press Ctrl+1. After pressing Ctrl+1, another menu will appear in front of us. Here we have to click on custom, and in custom we have to write D 4 times. Once we type that, then click on OK, and all the days will be converted to the days of the week. Then we come to the months column, and here we click once again Ctrl+1 and write 4 times M, and all the dates will be converted to the name of the months. And for year, obviously we have to press Ctrl+1 once again and write 4 times Y this time, and all the dates will be converted into the years. So the problem is solved. If you did learn something from this video, then you know how to thank me. Have a good time.